What's up, everyone? It's Lee here, the rental guy from the rental shop. Notice it's a little different. Welcome to the vlog. This is my party rental business. We're getting ready for a Christmas party here. This is my vlog where I vlog about the progress of my party rental business over the past 5 years. Started in my garage and worked my way up by reinvesting. Anyways, let's get into it. This week, in the last 7 days, $2,300, so that's down. It's been going down and down and down because the Christmas parties are over. It's all families eating now, so dishware was big last week. This week, just a little bit of dishware, and it's more tables and chairs. So everyone's got 8 tables, you know, X amount of chairs. A lot different than the other weeks because staff parties are over. These are all people who are doing dinners at their homes. We had 16 orders going out, all like that, to equal the $2,300 that we brought in this week. Hey.
Hi, morning.
Good morning. Monday, same as normal. I print out my blue sheet. This is what I have to pick up. Returns in the morning, so we send return reminders. That's it. One photo booth went out today, and other than that, the phone's not ringing or buzzing like it has been the last few weeks on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursdays. Also had a meeting the other day. Someone gave me a floor plan. I'm recreating it so that they can know how many, what their event's gonna look like. Well, Thursday, just getting ready for Friday here. I've got 16 small orders to get ready, so I'm printing off the packing sheets for these orders. So I'm gonna take my 16 orders and I'm going to place them all towards the door here so that they can just come out, go easy tomorrow. But what I don't often document is the nights that I spend after my family goes to sleep working on my website. I don't have all the hours in the day to do little things like website touch-ups during the day. So like last night, you know, for 4 hours during the night, you know, I usually stay up till anywhere till 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. working on the website and just making landing pages, refining things, and then listing it in Google, adding listings. The more you add, it's just math. The more pages you add and the better things look, the more you'll be seen. So the more you do that, the better your chances are. How much extra time do you spend on your website when your family goes to sleep? But that's not the fun part. The fun part is the Christmas party. Let's get into it. Let's head downstairs and take a peek. We've opened it up because I have my family coming over. We're entertaining, and this is the best place for us. So, but I get to set some things up, and I get to show you some of my inventory and how I set it up. So let's do that. So a little tip here. The table that we had here wasn't wide enough, or it was too wide. Then the second one we put in wasn't wide enough. So the third one, I've got these 36-inch wide 8-foot tables. They're absolutely great. I rent them for 20 bucks each. But I pulled it out and I noticed like it's like that, and I don't want it to scrape up the floors, nor do I want it to go out to a customer like that. So what I did is I took a smaller size that I had, these guys, and I put them in burning hot water, and then I just hammered them on top of here, and then it'll make a tight fit. 36 inches wide, so I charge way more for these because a regular table's 30 inches wide. This has 6 inches more. That means it's way more heavy. It's awkward, but it's perfect. So on my website, I have these marketed quite differently as, I think they're called like dining tables or something like that, and they're 20 bucks each, and they go out significantly less, but they still do go out, and they're fantastic. We're using them for this, and we had, one go out last week, one out this week. It's perfect. So I just bought $7 bags from Walmart. They're laundry bags. They're not the best quality, but I'm sure that they'll last a season. Just find $7 each, just for my cornhole boards here. We've got a little game table here. We're gonna go over the game table area. We're using white resin folding chairs as our chair method. And then as you can see, we've kind of got everything shoved in the warehouse, and we're gonna pipe and drape all of it. We're gonna pipe and drape all of this and into this area, all draped. And then I just finished the orders for the week. There was lots of tables and chairs going out, so we're just gonna shove everything there, and we're gonna turn this all into an arcade for the kids. So that'll be fun. As you can see right here, I've already made kind of like a goal post, right? So it's 2 uprights of global truss. Those are 9 foot uprights, 9'2", and then there's a 8'2" crossbar. We're gonna use the monogram lighting. We're gonna get the arcades involved, basically all the fun stuff. And the reason why we're doing this is so that, well, first of all, so we can have fun at the Christmas party. But second of all, I mean, I want to take pictures of all this stuff set up, and I'll be able to turn this into so much more content. It'll be a video about each specific item. It'll be a vlog for you. Then it'll be, you know, highlights of how we can set certain things up, hence the goal post and the lighting and, you know, the black light with redactive tape and blah, 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 blah. You get it. Let's do this. Okay, so there's quite bright lighting in here. We don't want that at Christmas time, so we're gonna put some string lights in here. So this is the type of roof we have in the shop, and we've got these teacher's clips that we use to hang it there. So I've got a 50-foot strand of lighting here. We buy some of this lighting, we make some of this lighting. So if you know anything about my marquee letters, today we're making some string lights for a tent. See? So I'm sure you've seen some of my videos where I'm making light up marquee letters. Well, I also make tent lights. So today, instead of having the same old Costco bistro lights, we're doing some cafe lights, making them out of SPT2 wire, male and female plugs, and C7 sockets with E12 bulbs. Very simple, yet nice looking tent lights. So there's good disco balls, and then there's these disco balls. These are 12-inch. I get them from Party City. They're not my best ones, but they definitely do the trick when you need multiples. So when I hang pipe and drape, sometimes I use the stilts, sometimes I use the rolling cart. Today I'm going to use the rolling cart. So there are pipe and drape carts where you have a loaded crossbar there, and it's loaded already full of drapes on it, and then you just wheel it into your event and start hanging them up. And that's kind of what you do if you do pipe and drape, instead of just like hanging every drape at the event to be fast and efficient. So 14-inch by 16-inch base plate. This is 1.5 inch width, aluminum upright, and these are telescoping crossbars that extend from 6 feet to 8 feet to 10 feet. In this case, we're going almost 10. And we want to put 4 to 5 drapes in there. The drapes are this stuff right here. It's called banjo. It's like an industry standard. Normally we would press these, but I've already asked enough of my wife. So these are 4 feet by 8 feet. So they're 4 feet this way, 8 feet this way. And they're in small drapes like this because they're easy to launder that way. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys the video tour of the Christmas party here. So I've got the 2x2 video wall set up with the Mario Kart on Switch with racing wheels. Those are the Hori wheels, and the play seats. That's it for up here, but there's an excellent view down to everything that's down there. Okay, so down here, Jen, the bartending rental girl, the rental girl has set up the table here for all of our guests. It would be my family coming. And what did we pick? We picked gold, black, and white as the theme. We're just batterying up the candles there. And then just this way over here, we've got we've got the game table here, just a cozy little chilling section. And then the fireplace is there. We've got the lighting that we installed, popcorn machine. So 1 portion pack makes 6.
Makes
7. And then you come this way, and the shop, I have pipe and draped everything. And we've got a photo booth right here. I've got Rockville uplights that I've got programmed to go red, green, red, green. I forgot to program these ones to the color. And then we've got a retro shooter system set up right here on a 50-inch TV. And then we've got a global truss goal post up here, and I've got some 12-inch disco balls in them with some more. These are easy dancing uplights here. They're kind of the cheap ones. They don't daisy chain. Daisy chain means one plugs into the next, like the Rockville ones do. So coming into the arcade here, I've got the big buck hunter.
I don't care.
Pick a spot.
This was literally the only weekend that it wasn't out, because everyone's not renting games right now, but they're renting dishes and tables and chairs. So I got to have all the games for my party. So I've got the big buck hunter, which is excellent, goes out all the time. And then for the little kids, I took these ones off the pedestals. You can see these one-up arcade games. They come with risers that just comes right off. So these ones right here, they're great for the kids. So Street Fighter 2, NBA Jam, and Pac-Man. And then we've got some of these, what are these? These are Pandora boxes. So they've got like all the old retro games on them, next to some 40-inch TVs. These are conference tables here, so they're 8 feet long, but they're half the width there, so they're only 15 inches. And then we just do some table skirting. And then you can see there's these clips here, and they just Velcro on. You just clip the clips on and the table skirts. So that's fantastic. We've got our ice chilling here in this, this is called a Cambro. It keeps things hot or cold. And right here at the end, we've got a Global Truss totem here. So it's got a base plate on the bottom, a 20 by 20 base plate with some black light inside there. And then I've got black light redactive tape. So anything where the black light touches will glow. White resin folding chairs we used as our theme there. So those are great. And this is Stepmania dance game. So there's a computer with a game called Stepmania that hooks up to these L-Tech dance pads, and that's a 50-inch TV right there.
Yeah, we did.
So do you see the stars up there?
Oh yeah.
So that's this guy right here. This is called a profile light. And so it does all different things there. So that's the arcade, and that's the Christmas party. I hope you enjoyed. I know you're probably curious to see how much it actually cost if I were to rent all this stuff out. So I actually went and I tallied everything up, and I've got it all here. Let's go up to my program Bookable and take a look. Anyways, if I were to rent all this stuff, the total would be $5,043.34. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Watch another one of these vlogs. Anyways, Merry Christmas if that's your thing, or Happy Holidays, and we'll see you on the next one. And as always, you stay classy.